If you want to enhance your YouTube account security by removing old devices, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your devices effectively. Step 1. Sign into YouTube. Open your web browser and go to the YouTube website. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner and enter your Google account credentials to log in. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Security option on the left sidebar. Click on it to view your security settings, including devices linked to your account. Step 4. Review your devices. Under the Security settings, you will see a list of devices that have access to your YouTube account. Take a moment to review this list and identify any old or unfamiliar devices. Step 5. Remove old devices. For any device you want to remove, click on the option to remove or sign out. Confirm your choice if prompted. This will disconnect the selected device from your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your YouTube security settings. Regularly checking your account can help keep it secure.